On a moonlit beach highway, the ocean breeze in my hair, the smell of salt and driftwood rising up in the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw the flickering light through all those dusty boxes, ready to burn the night. There on the sand we stood with matches in our hands, laughing at the old advice, letting go mom's old plans. Find your purpose, find your zen from covers worn and frayed. We stack them high, watch the embers dance and play. Welcome to the bonfire on the shoreline, such a freeing place, to let all worries lay, burning all the self-help from the old times by the ocean's bed, turning pages to red. Pages curling in the firelight, shadows on the sand, lessons from the past turning into grains and strands. We through master your mindset and find your inner peace. The flames roared higher as we let those voices cease. We poured a toast with cheap red wine, washing as they turned. The boats we couldn't give away, now they finally burned. Some words are meant to linger, and some are meant to go, like ghosts in the moonlight, drifting and let go. Welcome to the bonfire on the shoreline, such a freeing place, to let all worries lay, burning all the self-help from the old times by the ocean's bed, turning pages to red.